Hi, Ryan Steinelson here with Business Trends TV, where we interview the trending businesses that are out there, the ones that are setting the trends in their respective niches and their service industries. And right now, today, I have with me Gregory Tendrich, and Greg is a securities fraud attorney, and I'm going to let him tell you a little bit more about what he does. But he's very very ahead of the curve in terms of not only his knowledge base, but also in terms of the years of experience that he has, and also the amount of casework that he's done. And I just wanted to bring Greg on the show today because he's got a lot of great information that he's going to give you today, so that if you are in a situation where you have a stock fraud situation or any other type of situation, you'll know you'll have some answers. And Greg, how you doing?
Fine, Ryan. How you doing? Thank you.
Doing awesome. Maybe tell the people a little bit about yourself and where you're at and what you do.
Sure. Ryan, I have a practice that's devoted to securities litigation. I've been in Boca Raton now for about 10 years. I spent 10 years as an in-house lawyer representing major stock brokerage firms and wirehouses. And about 10 years ago, I decided to open up my own practice representing investors and stockbrokers with regulatory matters. It's a very specialized practice and one that we're very proud of, given my background and experience.
Yeah, so you've got a lot of experience, and it's a very specialized niche. There's not many, I don't think, many attorneys that deal in that specific niche out there. Are there a lot of attorneys that do what you do, or is it?
No, it is a very specialized field, and there are a limited number of lawyers around the country that handle these types of cases. Okay. I think investors should be aware, however, that they should look for those attorneys that have a background similar to mine, where they have a background representing brokerage firms as well as investors who have been aggrieved by their stockbrokers.
Are there any other types of claims that somebody can pursue, or what other types of claims are there out there?
Well, traditionally, besides suitable or unsuitable investments, we'll see claims involving misrepresentations. If a stockbroker or financial advisor told you something about an investment which was not necessarily true, that's called a misrepresentation. We also have situations where a stockbroker may be churning your account. Churning your account is where he's simply generating commissions for his own benefit, irregardless of what your investment objectives were. He or she is putting his own financial interests ahead of yours and generating commissions, because every time they enter a trade, they make a commission typically. We also will see claims involving alternative investments or limited partnerships, and again, all of these cases go back to whether or not it's a suitable investment for that particular investor.
Yeah, I've heard. So obviously, somebody churning the account would be some. So I hear you. That's kind of the one that people typically think of. In that, I thought of too. I was thinking of that immediately when I thought of what you do. I'm thinking, okay, yeah, if I had a broker and he's just buying and selling stocks in order to make that commission, that would be something that I'd be very concerned about. So
just another thing that we'll typically see is, especially with somebody your age, you want to be well diversified in the stock market. Right. If you have all of your eggs in one basket, there is a failure to diversify claim. We also have trading without permission, something called unauthorized trading. If you see an investment on your brokerage account statement that you never approved, then that should be obviously a red flag, and that's called an unauthorized trading claim. And those are the traditional types of claims that we will see and pursue.
If somebody wants to get a hold of you and learn, get more information from you, or set up a consultation with you, how would they best get a hold of you, Greg?
Well, they can always visit our website, or they can call us through our telephone number, which is on our website.
Yep.
And again, we offer a free consultation, and anybody can call at any time, and we'll be more than happy to answer any questions that they have.
Greg, it's been awesome. Is there any final words of wisdom that you want to leave people with before we sign off here?
Well, I just would tell everybody, if you have any question whatsoever regarding your investments, there are good qualified lawyers out there to answer your questions. And if you're not getting the answers from your stockbroker or financial advisor, you should certainly contact a lawyer, and we could investigate those claims and see if there's anything that we can do on their behalf. Okay.
Great, awesome, Greg. I appreciate the time that you've given us today, and we're gonna post this video to your website, and so that people can get access to these questions. I'm sure you probably get a lot of these questions a lot, so it'll be nice to be able to send somebody to a video where they get all their questions answered before they meet with you. But you know, we'll do this again maybe in a couple months. Okay. And thanks for your time, and let's talk again soon. Okay.
Okay, Ryan. Thanks for having me.
All right. Bye bye.
Okay. Bye.